Ever wondered how to keep your car running smoothly? Well, today we're going to delve into 10 essential car maintenance tips that everyone should know. So buckle up and let's hit the road. Welcome to my channel, Fiodio Technocars. The first key to a healthy car is checking your fluids regularly. This isn't just about engine oil, but also transmission fluid, brake fluid, and coolant. All these fluids are the lifeblood of your car, keeping it running smoothly and efficiently. Secondly, never underestimate the importance of tire maintenance. Consistently checking your tire pressure and tread can not only improve your car's fuel efficiency, but also significantly enhance your safety and handling on the road. The third tip is a classic: regular oil changes. This is a fundamental task that, when done consistently, will keep your engine clean and running at peak performance. Remember to always refer to your car's manual for the recommended oil change intervals and the correct type of oil to use. Fourthly, it's vital to know how to jumpstart your car. Having a set of jumper cables in your trunk and knowing the correct procedure can be a lifesaver, especially in chilly weather when batteries are prone to acting up. Next on our list is brake inspection. Your brakes are a pivotal safety component, so regular checks on your brake pads and discs are crucial. Any squeaking or grinding noises should be a signal to get them professionally inspected. Tip 6 is to keep a keen eye on your belts and hoses. These components are integral to your car's operation, so regularly inspect them for signs of wear, cracking, or leaks. Replacing them when necessary can prevent larger issues down the line. Our seventh tip revolves around your car's battery. Much like a heart, it's vital to your car's function. Regular checks for corrosion on the battery terminals, ensuring they are tight and keeping the battery clean can significantly extend its life. Tip 8 is all about your air filter. A clean air filter is key to optimal engine performance. Regular checks and replacements when it's dirty is a cost-effective way to improve fuel efficiency and engine longevity. Our ninth tip is about wheel alignment. Proper alignment is essential for tire longevity and optimal handling. If you notice your car pulling to one side, it might be time for a professional to check your wheel alignment. Finally, our 10th tip is to familiarize yourself with basic car tools. Having a basic toolkit and knowing how to change a flat tire, tighten loose bolts, and perform simple repairs can save the day in emergencies. And there you have it, 10 essential car maintenance tips for beginners. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more car-related content. Feel free to drop any questions or share your own tips in the comments section. Until next time, safe travels and happy motoring. Happy.